Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be checking out Windows 8 build 7950. Now this is the official milestone 2 build of Windows 8, so let's get started. Yeah, Windows 8 build 7950. So yeah, this is the official milestone 2 build of Windows 8, and it was compiled. By the way guys, okay, so anyways, Windows 8 build 7950 was compiled on February 23rd, 2011. So yeah, this is the official milestone 2 build compiled on February 23rd, 2011, and we're going to give this 60 gigabytes of storage. And yeah, let's get this thing set up real quick. And by the way, guys, if you haven't heard the news, we are so close to 700 subscribers. If we could get 700 subscribers, that would be really cool. So if you haven't already, make sure to go subscribe, please, because oh my gosh, a lot of people aren't subscribed. Anyways, we're going to be putting in our ISO, our Windows 8 7950 ISO, So let's get started. Our ISO is going to be 7955. We need 7950 because that's the one we want. We're 7950. Is it this one? When was this? Oh, okay, so it is that one. That's nice to know. I guess we can rename it because I don't want to get confused. Okay, I don't want to be confused, so we renamed it to this. Okay, let's go ahead and we're going to now boot. Well, first we have to actually change the date. By the way, this video is releasing on February 9th and spring break just started, so let's go. Well, it's actually technically started on Friday, but like, yeah. Anyways, now we have this and we are going to, oh my gosh. The time bomb is for July 1st, so I think we're fine. 2011. And now we can, we're back on the slow train. I thought Intel wasn't gonna do this. I thought it was just gonna speedrun this, But apparently we're back to this, so yeah. Anyways, now we're booting into Windows 8 build 7950. Maybe. There we go. Now we're booting. That's nice. Windows is loading files. Oh, here we go. Starting Windows. So yeah, it's starting now. And this is a really high quality cable. It's braided, dang. Okay, this cable has what? Oh! So this is a really cool cable. So what you've got is you've got 3 USB-C. Oh, wait, wow. We've got a micro USB. We've got a USB-C. And we have another USB-C. I think these are USB 3 and USB 4. And we have a lightning cable. So that's really nice. And it's HP branded. So yeah, this is a really nice cable, I'd have to say. I wonder if you can use one USB-C end with another USB-C end and it will still work. Okay, I'm rambling about something you guys can't even see, but this cable's really cool. I really like this cable. Anyways, the VM is broken. Let's check the bugs list and see if there's anything wrong. So yeah, let's find out. Um, Oh, okay. So we messed up making the virtual machine. So I will be right back after I remake the virtual machine, because what you want to do if you're installing this build on like Windows, I mean not Windows. If you're trying to get this thing on, if you're trying to get this thing working on VMware, you're going to have to set the compatibility mode to 8 or 9. No, not 6 or okay, you get the point. Okay, anyways, 7950, delete the virtual machine. Then if we click back into here, it'll be gone. And then we're gonna have to use a custom virtual. Okay, you know what? I'll be back. Alright, so we are back, and now we have remade the virtual machine. So yeah, let's continue this. Okay, so now actually booted. That's really nice. That's actually really nice. So yeah. Uh Now we're going to click on next, install now, and we're going to start the installation process. Yeah. All right, we are back. So we're going to accept the license terms, click next, custom, and click next again. And now we're going to be installing Windows, which is perfect. So now I'll be back after we're done installing Windows. So yeah. All right, so we are back, and we are going to be setting up the computer. So as you can see, we're going to do rook D. Okay, so now we're going to make a wait, we have to pick home network first. And the first thing that we gotta do is we gotta put in our username, and we're gonna not put a password because I don't really feel like putting a password in. Ask me later, and yeah, whatever. We don't care what time it is. And there we go. Windows is finalizing your settings, and now we are logging in. So yeah, it's logging us in now, and now we can get into the new features of this build. So yeah, there's actually also a couple of red lock features or red pill features which we will use to have red lock. So yeah, there's also a new start screen and a bunch of other stuff. Start screen and other stuff is just really really cool. So yeah, there's kind of some improvements, because this is the official Milestone 2 build. Of course, there's gonna be some improvements here. So as you can see, it's preparing our desktop. And after this, we're gonna first go over we're gonna go over the build without Red Pill, and then we're gonna run Redlock and get access to Red Pill, and then we're gonna look at the Red Pill exclusive features. So this video is basically gonna be split into two different parts in the same video, obviously. So yeah, this video is gonna be split into two different parts, and yeah, there's gonna be the red lock specific, the non-red lock features, and the not red pill features, and the red pill features. So as you can see, Arrow is automatically enabled like last time, and we still have. We still have the Windows 7 stuff, and we still have this thing. I don't even know what that thing is about. But the start menu still is blank until, and get this, until you open a program. Let's say we open up Windows Media Center. I don't think it'll work, but let's just open up Windows Media Center. Oh my gosh. So the sound played before the video did. That's interesting. And this window is way too big. Anyways, we can just oh my gosh. Oh my god. Let's close. Oh no. We full. Okay, there we go. Yeah, it's gone now. And then you can see if we open up the start menu, we'll get Windows Media Center just chilling here, you know. So let's start off by increasing the screen resolution because it's 800 by 600. We want to make it 1920 by 1080 because, well, that's the screen resolution that we want. And we're going to keep changes. Oh my god. Anyways, we can now we should be able to what was I gonna do? I don't remember what I was gonna do. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. We're going to just well, we're not gonna give you more tools installed, but let's go over the build first. So as you can see, oh right. Now I remember what we're gonna do. So now we're gonna be checking if the new task manager is still here, or if they just went back to the old. Oh, here we go. So this is the old task manager. It is still the old Windows 9X task manager. There's no way to expand it or whatever. So yeah, there's the task manager. I mean, it looks like the old one. They didn't keep the new one. The new one was really nice. So now we're going to get Redlock because, well, I want to see the red pill specific features. And, well, we're going to be doing that. So let's get started. We're going to put in the Redlock ISO so we can use Redlock. Redlock ISO. And now we're going to open up File Explorer or wait for auto run. Let's wait for auto run first. Oh, auto run came up. That's really nice. Thanks, auto run. Really, really cool. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to copy this to the desktop. I'm going to close out of that window. And then we are going to move it here. And we're going to run it. We're going to click yes on UAC. And we're going to click 1. And as you can see, now it's installing Redlock. So I'll be back once we have Redlock installed. So yeah. Yo, look at this. This is the new start menu. Doesn't it look great? Look at it. We've got the nice little background. And yeah, this background looks really cool, not gonna lie. So yeah, this background is really cool. Let's see if you can uninstall the desktop. It disappeared for some reason. Oh, okay, that's pretty nice. Oh, it updated. Okay. So now these things you can uninstall the control panel. You can uninstall the control panel, which just opens the control panel. Oh my god. Okay, so that's pretty strange. Now, the next feature that we're going to be taking a look at is, well, the new pre-installation environment now uses Windows 98 color schemes. You all want to see this? So yeah, I'll be right back. Welcome back to day 2, which is actually not day 2, but like whatever. Anyways, we are here. And as you can see, some things have changed. We now have the immersive control panel, which is basically these settings. And as you can see, the setting looks much different. We have a couple of options. We can shut down, hibernate, shut down, or restart, I guess. It shows us our time. You can turn on wireless, turn it off and on. I think we can adjust the volume. I don't know if that actually does adjust the volume, but it's the options there. We've got the time zone options where we've got all of our different time zones, as you can see. All the different time zones are here. We've got our ease of access settings. But these don't really so basically there's an issue here where if you turn high contrast off, if it's off, it actually turns it on, and if you turn if you turn high contrast on, it will just turn off, which is interesting to say the least. It's very, very interesting. We got our on 5 click of context menu. What does this do? What? Show notifications. We can blinking cursor, make it easier to read. We got search. That's really nice. We got connections. We can. Okay, so yeah, we're on the internet, I guess. We got devices. We can look at our devices, and we have the normal desktop control panel right here, which is the regular control panel. So yeah, it's really nice. We've got the regular control panel. I don't know what is going on. Why am I lagging? Okay, that's really, really strange. But we have some of the early animations, I think. Oh my, this is lagging so much here. I don't, it's just super laggy. I don't know why. Anyways, we can close out of that, and we are lagging just so much here. I really do not know why. We're going to start Task Manager, of course. We're going to look at the Task Manager. And as you can see, we have the new Task Manager again. It's back, as you can see. It looks a lot like it, but we don't have the performance. We don't have the performance. So performance isn't here. So that's pretty strange. Oh, the performance is located down here in the performance dashboard, which brings up this handy thing. So as you can see, we got our CPU, which is our Intel Core i7-11850H running at 2.5 gigahertz, and it is at 100% usage. Our memory is at 100% usage apparently. Our disk is 1 megabyte a second, which isn't good, and our network is 1 kilobit per second, which is really bad. Okay, so basically our computer is cooked. Like our entire computer is cooked. How much RAM does this thing have? So guys, we have 0 gigabytes of RAM. This is perfect. This is perfect. We have 0 gigabyte, 0 of 128 slots used. And it's running at 0 megahertz. Guys, this is the best RAM, isn't it? Look at this RAM. Like, guys, come on. This has got to be the best RAM to use. Like, I'm genuinely telling you, this amount of RAM is just perfect. Like we've got 0 gigabytes of RAM. That's a pretty good amount. And like, we're running at 0 megahertz and we have 0 out of the 128 slots filled. So I'm not gonna lie, I think it's a pretty good amount of RAM. Okay, so let's see what else we've got. We have got the oh, we've got the Explorer ribbon UI. So let's go to Windows Explorer here. Now, this is something I've taken a look at other builds. Wait, is the bug still here? Oh my gosh, the bug is still here on the Task Manager being on top. And all the windows of the Task Manager being on top. So that's pretty interesting. If we try to make this always on top, it will just do that. And we are so lacking here. It is just not even funny anymore. What the hell? Okay, anyways, it doesn't what the hell? Command line? Command line. Okay, that's interesting. I didn't really. Anyways, here's the new Explorer UI, which should look uninstall a program. It doesn't have any of the icons yet. So yeah. And anyways, that's basically going to be the end of this video. I know it was a short video, but this is Windows 8 build 7920. It is, oh, and the watermark says Microsoft pre-release operating system, of course, like always. Yeah, this is build 7950. As you know, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, the next video will be coming out soon, like tomorrow. And I'll see you in the next video.